AGTEK Tech Tip: using the Fillet tool. When entering data from a PDF file, there may be times when the vector data does not create smooth, continuous lines. If offset lines or templates are being used, it is important to enter the curves as uniform as possible in order to create a smooth transition through the curve. You may use the Fillet tool to create a smooth curve on the line. There are two ways to insert a curve using the Fillet tool. You can insert a curve from the intersection point of two adjacent line segments, or you may insert the curve between two separate lines. In this example, you can see the vector lines from the PDF file do not create a smooth, continuous line around the curve after joining the lines. Now you could use the F7 key to move the point to a different location, but this may take several attempts to get the point in the correct location. Now you may want to delete the section of the curve and use the Fillet tool to insert the curve. You may need to break the lines at the beginning and end of the curve, and then delete the curve segment. Select one of the tangent segments and hold the Shift key to select the adjacent segment. Click the Fillet tool, and the fillet radius window will display. The recommended radius distance will be the default. Now you may change the distance, however it may produce undesired results. Click OK. The curve will be created and the radius point and PI of the curve will also be generated as annotation points. Repeat the process where needed. You may also insert a curve at the intersection of a continuous line. So if you select a corner point and click the Fillet tool, the fillet radius window will display. Enter the desired radius and click OK, and the curve will be generated. The original selected point will become the PI, and the radius point will also be generated.